Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me on this video. I almost missed this Creative Fabrica promotion. They are running 29 days of love promotion. You can see you can get all access subscription plus unlimited studio for 1 year just for $47. You can see the regular price is $348, and you can also get free bundles every single day. I will show you these bundles until today, and this promotion will last until the end of the month. Let's go to Creative Fabrica and see the bundles. So you can see this is today's bundle, includes 1000 plus designs, mega bundle, SVG design bundle. You can see what kind of files you can receive: SVG, DXF, PNG, and EPS. And when you scroll down, you can see what is included in the bundle. When you open this in a new window, you can see this is t-shirt designs, and here is explanation of the designs. Let's close this one, open this one to see, and this one. Scroll a little bit down, you can see what is included. Some of designs, they've got more pictures like this one, and you can see what are the designs. This one, they are very good, and you can use those files for your print on demand business. So let's close this one. Here you can see when this bundle will be gone. You can see this one after 7 days and 4 hours, and I will link the previous bundles. You can see this is from yesterday, 6 days and 4 hours, Easter graphics. When you scroll down, you can see what designs are included, and Easter is coming. It's very good to have those kind of designs. So let's open one of those files. You can see what is included, and also you can see the designs, and you can create many kind of different designs from this one. Let's close this one. So this one is font bundle. You can see what kind of fonts are included, and when you open the font, you can see different styles and different things with this font. Okay, let's close this one. So this one will go on after 5 days and 4 hours. This one is also font bundle. Another font bundle, this is kids one. You can see very nice font. This one, Monster Seafood, is very nice, super comic. Let's scroll and see. This one is very nice. This one also is very nice. This one also very nice fonts. Let's open this one, let's say, and check how it looks. Very nice font. This is perfect for so many things. This one, SVG mega bundle. You can see this is also t-shirt designs. Let's open one of the files, and you can see you can put this on t-shirt or mug, on wall art, different type of designs, and you can use Printify. Just check if this files is there with full pot license, and if they're with full pot license, you can use them how they are. Otherwise, you need to change them. So let's close this one. This one is also fonts. And the good thing is that you can get fonts, you can get graphics, and you can combine them and create designs. And if you download those fonts, you can have probably 400 or 500 fonts for free, and same for the graphics. And this one is expired, but this one is completely free. You can see it's free, and you can check the fonts. Very nice and stylish fonts. So the link will be down below in the description. I also will link all those bundles until today, and I will keep you updated. I will try to update, I will try to create videos every single day or every 2 or 3 days and put all the bundles together. And guys, if you don't like to pay the yearly subscription, you can all the time, let me show you the file, just a second. You can sign up for a free trial and you can get 10 free downloads. You can download 10 bundles. After that your trial will expire and you need to unsubscribe after that, because otherwise you'll be charged. But anyway, if you don't want to get subscription for 1 year, just sign up for a free trial, get your 10 free downloads, check the site. You will see if the site fits you. And but since I get subscription with Creative Fabrica, I never look back. I use them for all kind of graphics, fonts, and everything. They are amazing and they improving their site all the time. They created their studio. They've got let me show you. They've got so many things. They've got tools like FontCloud, CSpark. CSpark is image creation tool. Also, you can write your descriptions and you can write articles. You can see this one, CSpark Writer. You can write so many things. I've got videos about this, and I will link my Creative Fabrica playlist on your right hand corner. You can check those videos. So with that being said, guys, I will link everything on the description. Get advantage. You can get those files for free. You can sign up for 1 year or you can sign up for free trial. It's your choice. It's a win-win situation. The link will be down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.